of you. Now we will start our next exercise, exercise 10.2 of the chapter 10 circle. Clear? Open the page number 213. Read the statement of first question. From a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. First we draw the figure. This is a circle. From a point Q, कोई Q point है. The length of tangent to the circle is 24 centimeter. Distance of Q from the center is 25. Q कोई भी बाहर पॉइंट है. यहाँ इस पॉइंट से टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करो. उसकी लेंथ कितनी गिवन है? 24 सेंटीमीटर. एंड इस पॉइंट का सेंटर से डिस्टेंस कितना गिवन है? 25 सेंटीमीटर. So we have to find this radius. Consider this point is P. So OP is perpendicular to PQ because radius is perpendicular to tangent. So apply Pythagoras theorem here. OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. OQ is 25 square. 25 square equals to OP square plus PQ is 24 square. Now simplify it. 25 square is 625. OP square as it is. 24 is 576. Now subtract 625 minus 576 is equals to OP square. On subtracting we will get 49. So OP is 7 by taking the square root. So radius is 7 centimeter. Clear? Now here A option is correct. A option. Now let's start second question. Here figure is given. Circle. This is O point, P, Q, and these are the tangent meeting at point T. This angle is given 110 degree. What we have to find? We have to find angle P, T, Q. This angle. This is very important question. How to find this angle? We know radius perpendicular to tangent. So these both angles are of 90 degree. Sum of these two angles 90 degree. So similarly sum of these two angles should be equals to 180 degree. One angle is 110. So what will be the next angle? 180 minus 110 is equals to 70 degree. So angle this is 70 degree. Clear? Now third question. If the tangent PA and PB are drawn from a point P, ये सर्कल है, किसी एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट से टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ किए हैं. ये पॉइंट P, A and B are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree. Inclined मतलब ये एंगल कितना फॉर्म हो रहा है? 80 degree. We have to find angle POA. O is the center of circle. So POA. We have to find this angle. How will we find? Firstly join OB. Clear? There are two methods to find this angle. One is firstly find this complete angle by using this property. This complete angle will be equals to 100 degree. How we will get? 180 minus 80 equals to 100 degree. Now it is the sum of two equal angles. So we will divide it by 2. We will get 50 degree. So angle POA is equals to 50 degree. Second method is you can consider this triangle OAP. Firstly divide it into two parts. This angle will be 40 degree. This angle we know 90 degree. So by using angle sum property we can find this angle. So it's your choice which method is better. You can use any method. Clear? Next question number 4. Read the statement. Prove that the tangent drawn at the ends of diameter of circle are parallel. एक सर्कल है, उसका एक डायमीटर है. डायमीटर के एंड पे दो टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ की गई हैं. 1, 2. Now we have to prove that these both tangents are parallel to each other. This is L, this is M. center PQ. Here what is given? POQ is diameter. What we have to prove? L is parallel to M. How we will prove it? What is the condition of parallel lines? If this is 90 degree angle, this is also 90 degree angle, because radius is perpendicular to tangents. OP is perpendicular to L, so we can say angle 1 is 90 degree. Similarly, OQ is perpendicular to M, angle mark it to 90 degree. Now both the angles are equal, then we can say but these are alternatively angled. So lines are parallel. Here you have to write down the theorem, statement of theorem, that is radius is perpendicular to tangent. Same reason you will write here. This is your fourth question. Next, in question number 5 you will try it by yourself. Question number 6 is same as question number 1. Read the statement and draw the figure, then you have to find the radius. Now I will do question number 7. There are two concentric circles. What is the meaning of concentric circle? If we will draw two circles and their center point is common, then these are concentric circles. Question: two concentric circles are of radius 5 cm and 3 cm. This is 5 cm circle. This is 3 cm circle. Find the length of the chord of a larger circle. Larger circle की chord है and smaller circle की स्मॉलर सर्कल को टच कर रही है, मतलब स्मॉलर सर्कल की क्या होगी वो टेंजेंट. हमने इसकी लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. क्लियर? हाउ वी विल फाइंड? दिस इज व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस? दिस इज रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर. कंसीडर इट पॉइंट A. व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ OP? 5, because this is the radius of larger circle. Now we know this radius is perpendicular to this tangent, because radius is of smaller circle and tangent is also of smaller circle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the length PA. By Pythagoras, what will you find? This is equals to 4. But we have to find this complete length PQ. So PQ is double of PA. That is 8 centimeter. It you have to show that by using the Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Now question number 8, very important question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribing a circle. Circumscribing a circle मतलब एक क्वाड्रिलेटर है, वो सर्कल को अपने अंदर ड्रॉ कर रही है. सर्कल है और इसके बाहर क्या है? एक क्वाड्रिलेटर. क्लियर? Quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. Point of contact P, Q, R, and S. What we have to prove? Sum of the opposite sides of quadrilateral equal to sum of other two sides. Means to say, to prove करना है इसमें AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. Clear? How we will prove it? Proof. Now A is outer point, so from point A two tangents can be drawn. AS and AP. These two are equal. Why? Second theorem अभी की थी हमने. Length of equal tangents या फिर length of tangents. Clear? From an external point, if we draw two tangents to a circle, then these two lengths are. Now B is also external point. So from B also two tangents are drawn. So BP is equals to BQ. Same reason, length of tangent. Similarly, C is outer point. So CR is equals to CQ. Length of tangent. From point D, DR is equals to DS. Again, length of tangent. Now add all the four equations. On adding, what you will get? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equals to what will be the right hand side? AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. If we will add AP and BP, what we will get? Complete side AB. Similarly, CR plus DR, we will get complete side CD. On right hand side, AS and the last DS. AS and DS is AD. Similarly, BQ plus CQ, these both sides will be equals to BC. So it is what we have to prove. AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. Clear? Ninth figure is given to you. This is a circle. XY and X dash Y dash are the two tangents which are parallel to each other. AB is a tangent whose point of contact is C. PQ is diameter of the circle. What we have to prove? Angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. We have to prove that this complete angle is of 90 degree. How we will prove it? Firstly, given, you can write given XY is parallel to X dash Y dash. PQ is diameter. Clear? Now what we have to prove? Angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. For this we have to do construction. What will be the construction? Join OC. Clear? Now see how we will prove it. First of all, you have to prove these two triangles are congruent. In triangle OAP and OAC, first condition is OP is equals to OC. Why? Because both are the radius of this circle. Second, PA is equals to PC, length of tangent drawn from the external point A. Third condition is OA common. OP equals to OC, AP equals to AC, OA is equals to OA common. This is radius, this is length of tangent, and this is common line. So both the triangles are congruent. OAP is congruent to OAC. Which rule? SSS, because we are considering all the three sides. So we can say this angle 1 and 2 are equal by CPCT. Similarly, if we will prove these two triangles are congruent, OBC and OBQ, we can say angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. Similarly, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now, PQ is a straight line. So, sum of all angles 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 180 degree. Reason is straight line angles. Don't write linear pair. These are straight line angles. Now 1 is equals to 2. So we can replace 1 with 2. 3, 4. So we can replace 4 by 3. Double of angle 2 plus double of angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Take 2 out. 2 plus 3, 180 degree. So angle 2 plus 3 is equals to 90 degree. What is angle 2 plus 3? This is angle AOB. So that we have have to prove angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Clear? This question number 10 that you have to prove it by yourself. Read the statement, draw the figure and prove it. Next I will discuss question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is rhombus. Very important question. Figure is similar to question number 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 उसमें क्या था, एक सर्कल था और बाहर एक क्वाड्रिलेटर थी. इसमें हमें क्या ड्रॉ करना है, बाहर एक पैरेललोग्राम. क्लियर? पैरेललोग्राम circumscribing a circle is rhombus. This is parallelogram. We have to prove that this is a rhombus. Firstly, do the question number 8 similarly. What is the result of question number 8? AB plus CD is equals to BC plus AD. Clear? Now we have to prove it is a rhombus. How we will prove it is a rhombus? In which all the sides are equal. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if we will prove AB equals to BC, means to say adjacent sides are equal, then we can say that all the sides are equal. So AB equals to CD because opposite sides of parallelogram. So I will write 2AB. Similarly BC and AD, opposite sides है, AB equal है, तो we can write 2BC. 2 is cancelled. AB is equals to BC. Adjacent sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, so we can say that this is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Start question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. एक ट्राइंगल है, उसके अंदर एक सर्कल है ऑफ रेडियस 4. उसका रेडियस कितना गिवन है हमारे पास, 4 सेंटीमीटर. Such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided. ये segments गिवन है, ये 6 सेंटीमीटर है and this is of 8 सेंटीमीटर. But we have to find the length of AB and AC. Complete length. AB and AC. Now say B is the external point to this circle. So this is 6. This is also 6 because length of tangent. Similarly, C is external point. This is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find these lengths. These two lengths are also equal because A is the external point. Let it be X. This is also X. Means we have to find the length of X. How we will find the length of X? Firstly, join these points OE and OF. Now see, the complete triangle is divided into 3 triangles. 3 triangles are OBC, OAC and OAB. So first of all you have to find area of triangle ABC by using Heron's formula. 3 sides, first, second, third, and then you have to find the area of 3 smallest triangle. Area of triangle OBC, OAB plus OAC. First of all, we will find this area, complete triangle. In triangle ABC, 3 sides are firstly A, that is AB, 6 plus X. Second BC, which is equals to 6 plus 8, that is 14. Third is C, AC, 8 plus X. ठीक है? 3 side ABC. First of all, you will find S. What is S? A plus B plus C upon 2. A is 6 plus X, B 14, C 8 plus X. Now simplify it. 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 28 plus 2x. Don't cancel it. Firstly take out 2, then cancel. So S is 14 plus x. Now find area. What is the formula to find area? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the values. S is 14 plus x. 14 plus x minus A is 6 plus x. So here is a negative sign, so we have to change the sign. Minus x minus x. Similarly, 14 plus x minus b is 14. What will be c? 14 plus x minus c is 8 plus x. Here similarly we will change the sign. Now simplify it. 14 plus x as it is. 14 minus x is 8. X is cancelled. 14 is cancelled. Here only x. Here x is cancelled. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now simplify it. 14 plus x into 8 4 6 48x. This is the area of complete triangle. Now we will find the area of the smallest triangle. How we will find the area of this triangle? First we will discuss OBC. Here, what is the formula of area of triangle? Half into base into height. Base is 14, height is 4. So what will be the area of this triangle? 1 by 2. Base is 14, height is 4. So 28. Similarly, OAB, this triangle, half into base कितना है? 6 plus x. Height is same 4 because this is also radius. Now simplify it. 2 into 6 plus x. Similarly, area of this triangle will be 8 plus x. Find it by yourself. Now add this. All areas should be equals to this area. What will be the addition of this? Plus 12 plus 2x plus 16 plus 2x equals to root 14 plus x into 48x. 28 plus 12 40. 40 plus 16 56. 2x plus 2x is 4x. Now take 4 out. 14 plus x and 48x. Now squaring both sides. If we will square it, 4 4s are 16. 14 plus x is whole square. Here square is cancelled with square root. So only 14 plus x and 48x. 14 plus x is cancelled. Here are two 14 plus x because there is a square sign. 14 plus x is left only. This 16 I will shift to right hand side. Now simplify it. 3. So 14 plus x is equals to 3x. On solving, what we will get? (14) is equals to 3x minus x, that is 2x. So x is equals to 7. This length is 7. So what will be the length of AB? 6 plus 7, 13. AC, 8 plus 7, 15 centimeter. Clear? Now only last question is left, that is question number 13, that you have to try it by yourself. Now whole chapter is completed. If you have any problem, any query, then you can ask me. Thank you so much.